Which is longer? This is longer. This is shorter. Which is taller? This is taller. This is shorter. 1 foot. 1 foot. 2 feet. How tall? 6 feet, 8 feet. What is this? This is the Eiffel Tower. How tall is the Eiffel Tower? 1,063 feet. How high is the tower? 1,063 feet. What are the heights? What is the height? 324 meters. What is the height of the box? It's 30 centimeters high. What is the length of the box? It's 40 centimeters long.